What's up, everybody? I just got back from this super awesome pop-up like art installation thing called Dream Machine. It's in Williamsburg, Brooklyn, and like I live for anything that you can basically Instagram about that makes your friends really jealous of you. And yeah, that's like really petty, but also it's like, you don't know my life, so I'm gonna make my life look good. I know, I'm trash. I'm really excited to show you a bit of my day. This is like my first kind of like vlogging experience where I like had my camera with the mic on top, and I was like, I feel all professional and cool because other people just have their phones, even though I was totally just using my phone too and making my boyfriend hold my camera and my phone at the same time. He needs to learn how to multitask. It's something I'm really working on him. So yeah, I'm excited to show you the footage of today and hopefully convince you to go if you are in New York anytime between now and when it ends, which is in May sometime. All right, excited to show you guys. Watch on. Say hi.
Hi, welcome. This neighborhood used to be not so gentrified.
But now it is.
I miss the old days of Brooklyn in 2016 when we first moved here. And since then, it's really gone.
Okay, well, the reason places like this are gentrified are because of the pop-up we are going, ow. The pop-up we're going to today, which gets all millennial hipsters to flock here, so I'm excited.
And support the local guy.
So did you love it? I loved it. It was so cool. I'm probably gonna have a new profile picture now because of this event. So I hope you can go. The link will be in the description, and go because it's so cool and it's literally like walking through a dream, which is probably why it's called a dream machine. All right, bye guys, subscribe. I am so excited to show you more of my adventures. All right, follow along.